Hi from Toned Hair Salon. I am here today to explain a root touch-up. So a lot of you guys, when you book online, not sure what to book for. So I wanted to explain a little bit in each video of what I'm doing and why and what it's called when you book a service online. So this is a basic, that's laundry, basic retouch. So she actually does have a lot of silver sparkles, and she is naturally a redhead. So I have been doing her hair for like 15 years now. So this visit, we are doing just the root touch-up, and I'm just covering all the gray that she had. She had about like that much regrowth. No foils this time, but maybe next time I'm going to go in and do this retouch color and do some highlights and lowlights if we choose. But typically when you're booking a retouch service, it is you have about that much regrowth. It could be silver, it could be your natural color that you want to go lighter or darker, but the retouch service is going to be just color, no foils, right onto your scalp. Okay? And that's something you would probably want to book about every 6 weeks. You can find services online on our Vagaro booking software if you go to www.tonedhairsalon.com. Okay, hope that helps. See you guys later.